Practical, understanding the use of a colorimeter. Aim, to understand the working, principle, and operation of a colorimeter and to measure the concentration of a colored solution using absorbance. Materials required. Equipment. Colorimeter, cuvettes, glass/plastic, test tubes. Reagents. Standard solution, known concentration, unknown sample solution, distilled water, blank, micropipettes/droppers, tissue paper, for cleaning cuvettes. Principle. A colorimeter works on the principle of the Beer-Lambert Law, which states the absorbance of light by a solution is directly proportional to concentration of the solution and path length of light. A equals epsilon Cl. Where A equals absorbance. Epsilon equals molar absorptivity. C equals concentration. L equals path length. More concentrated solution rightward arrow, more light absorbed rightward arrow, higher absorbance. Working of colorimeter. A specific wavelength of light passes through the sample. The solution absorbs part of the light. Remaining light reaches the detector. The instrument measures absorbance or percent transmittance. Procedure. Step 1, instrument setup. Switch on the colorimeter and allow it to warm up, 5 to 10 minutes. Select appropriate wavelength, filter, based on sample color. Step 2, blank preparation. Fill cuvette with distilled water, blank. Wipe outer surface with tissue. Place in colorimeter and set, absorbance equals 0 or transmittance equals 100%. Step 3, standard solution reading. Take standard solution in cuvette. Measure absorbance and note value. Step 4, sample measurement. Take unknown sample in clean cuvette. Record absorbance. Step 5, calculation. Determine concentration using C1/C2 equals A1/A2. Where C1 equals unknown concentration. C2 equals standard concentration. A1, A2 equals absorbance values. Results. Absorbance values are obtained for blank rightward arrow 0. Standard rightward arrow known value. Unknown rightward arrow measured value. Concentration of unknown solution is calculated using Beer-Lambert Law. Conclusion. The colorimeter successfully measures the concentration of a solution based on light absorption. The experiment confirms that absorbance is directly proportional to concentration. Accurate measurements require proper calibration and handling. Precautions. Use clean and dry cuvettes. Avoid touching optical surfaces. Remove air bubbles. Always use blank for calibration. Select correct wavelength. Applications. Estimation of protein, glucose, DNA. Water quality analysis. Clinical diagnostics. Biochemical assays.